Luckily we made some external memory in our job library, which is where was it? IBM user.setup. Yeah, over here. And we made some notes here. So we're gonna have to go to the source data sets and stick that here. Edit that thing. Let's see what we've changed here. The storage group and the storage class were last recently changed. We started here. Oh yeah. So we need to expand this filter list to include the new qualifier. I'm going to put a comma there, insert a new line, and we're going to say everything that starts with ZDO, 2 characters, and then a whole bunch of other stuff. We're going to give this the filter list of ZDO HLQ, which will then somewhere over here set the storage class to SCZDO. This is good enough. In our storage group we don't need to do anything, because over here somewhere, I don't remember where, we said if the storage class is SCZDO, the storage group is going to be SGZDO. So that kind of looks good. Off to compile this ACS routine, which we done through option M2 ISMF, the automatic class selection, option 7. Let's just hope it remembered all our things. Yeah, it did. So all the data sets are still there. The SCDS name is correct. Check, check, double check. Well, I assume it's right. This is definitely where we edited it. We didn't change the storage group, but we did change the storage class. Let's compile this thing. Our changes here, and password was password. That seems to work. We pick a new password, and we're there. Let's go. So, IBM user, Uber secret password. Here we are. 3.4. IBM user setup jobs. Well, the user kind of works, but it would be nice if we could reuse this job to create other users and not do a lot of changing on all the bits and pieces. So we are going to use some variables in our JCL so that it's more easy to create new users. Maybe we CC user, which of course will be Claudia Kicks, right? Try again. This is getting terrible. I'm gonna fix this and pause the video. What went wrong? Oh, 1 not found. Was there still something there? Yes, we didn't delete enough lines. So, save, final check. We're already at DD. Who's got good IDs for DD? DD. That's David. Let's make it Davide. DD. Statement. Get rid of this stuff here. Get rid of the D there. Now, this one should give us a return code of 0 off the bat. Well, that's good. UDI auto dot master. That's what we want. So we want a folder for stuff that we're going to manage with stuff.map. That should be good. That should be good. So get out of here. Now we need to create a stuff.map, but it kind of looks like the home map. So we're going to copy /etc/home.map /etc stuff.map. We're going to edit that file. And we can't call it stuff.home.zfs, so we are going to remember the ACS routines. Everything that starts with ZDO is there. Everything that starts with ZDO 2 positions is there. Maybe we want to stuff high level qualifier, but I think that's going to be overkill, so we are going to do ZDO.stuff. Ooh, Alexa. And again, we're going to do this.
10 new notifications.
Oh,
10
please.
from Notify Me. A Daniel Hill said at Letitia Caro at
stop.
JS.
Thank you. Sorry about that. We're going to create files that are called ZDO.stuff.something.zfs, but we're also going to make sure that it's going to allocate those ZFSs for us. For that we need another keyword. That keyword is, in our case, allocate any, whatever you want. We want to allocate this with a primary allocation of what should be good. I think we start out small, but when we get bigger we add 50 megabytes. What do we think? That kind of looks good. We're going to give it a default permission. Oh, does that work on 2.3? I don't know. Keep that away for now, and we're going to say EUID, so that the user who changes directory or goes into that folder the first time will be the owner of that thing. I'm going to put that here, and then that should be good. I think that's all good. Escape. We're going to make sure that we have this stuff folder. And that it's there. Take a look inside that folder. It's empty. It's allocated in the root ZFS, but that's all fine for now. Now, what was that command to start the auto mount facility or reread his definitions? I don't remember, but I do remember it was in RC. User has been auto mount. Let's do that. Yeah, it's managing the stuff directory. That's good. Just to be sure, on the mainframe side of things, we are going to go to 3.4 and see ZDO.stuff. There's nothing there. Now if we go to stuff and go into my stuff, it doesn't work. ZFS address space does not have access probably to the ZFS generated, because yeah, the ZFS did get generated, but I assume in our syslog we better create a little job for that. That's going to be, oh, we don't have an issue. This is just going to be GA stuff, and it's about the same as, what job did we do to do this? I think the original user one had something for that. Get rid of this. No, don't get rid of this, keep it. But get rid of all these things. Get rid of these commands, that, right? So we're gonna add a thing for ZDO dot, what did we call it? pi/etc/stuff.map. We called it ZDO.stuff.something.zfs, and we're going to give it a UAC of read. Yeah, that looks good. Submit. Woohoo, 0. Get out of here. CD my stuff. We are there. df-key capital P dot ZDO.mystuff.zfs. up again, and we are gonna now cd into your stuff. That's more than 8. I wonder what happens. Yeah, that breaks. We can only do 8 characters here due to the, you know, the thing here, or it can only be 8. So we're gonna do a cd his stuff. That works. And now all of a sudden, if we go here and 3.4, not there, there, we have my stuff and his stuff. And just to make sure that we're not discriminating against sexes, we are gonna do a cd her stuff. And check again, and now everything is there.